The Supreme Court had reserved judgment on Senator Samuel Anyanwu's appeal following arguments from his lawyer Kingsley Njemenze and the PDP's counsel Paul Orokoro. The judgment date will be announced later. Anyanwu, who was removed as PDP National Secretary after resigning to contest the Imo governorship election, is challenging his dismissal. He argues he should be reinstated despite his failed governorship bid. He requested the Supreme Court to overturn the concurrent rulings of the Federal High Court and the Court of Appeal in Enugu, which upheld his removal.
There are competing views. The courts have always held that domestic affairs of political parties, they will not interfere. And we are urging them that we don't agree that that's the law. We believe that they've interfered in the past. But we are begging them that if that is the law, they should see the injustice that it is causing and depart from their previous decisions, as they did in Sheriff. Because you remember that in Sheriff and the PDP, I think it was one of the most famous cases in the matter. The court decided. So the other side, of course, disagrees. We'll put in our arguments. We'll see. Let's see what they'll decide.
Orokoro asserted that Anyanwu's request contravened the Constitution of the People's Democratic Party, stating that since he had resigned as National Secretary to run for another election, he could not be permitted to return to that position. Earlier, the court rejected Anyanwu's request to stay the execution of the judgment from the Court of Appeal at the Federal High Court, which had removed him as the National Secretary of the PDP.